Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got this new query which says write a program to read a text file and display the count of lowercase and uppercase letters in the file. Okay guys, before moving on to the query, I would like to show you guys something which is actually not good. So this is actually the watch time from my subscribers, and out of that 97.9% are not subscribed. So I don't really like it. Please, if you're watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. Please do give me a like, because almost 98% of you have not subscribed. Please show some support to me. That's not a good manner to show, to just take knowledge and not showing support. Please do consider a sub. Now the next thing we're going to do is make the solution for the file. So what we guys are going to do is we can simply open the file. For example, if I take a file named as alter.txt, then now what I go to do is I go to open it in read mode, because we just have to read the file here, not anything more. So yeah, the next thing we go to do is we will just create a blank variable, and yeah, then we will take up a count. So far it's not a function, yeah, as 0, then lower count as 0. To make the code more readable, we can use underscores. Now, next thing we going to do is we can simply say while ch, it will run the code till ch does not ends out of data. Now the next thing we go to do is like ch equals hr.read and read a single character. It will read character by character every time the while loop reruns itself. So the next thing we're going to do is if ch dot is upper is this condition satisfied. So for this one, if it's satisfied, so it will add one variable to upper count. I want to tell you guys something. This statement right here simply means we have modified and added one number and that, so don't get confused when I'm writing like plus equals 1. It's simply we're adding one more number to the variable upper count. So yeah, now let's move on to the next one. Elif ch is lower dot true. Then what it's going to do is simply, you guys get it, it's just going to increase the count of L or lower count. Then it will create a statement for else, because sometimes the data enter in our alter.txt or text file, it won't be always alphabet. It could be some blank spaces, it could be some numeric literals. That's why we would just simply print a \n, an empty line for that. I guess that's almost done. The deal's done, whatever you say that. F string, uppercase letters, count is, then you, oh my god, yes, you count, and then I go to copy this line, go to paste it. What I go to do is just make it as lowercase and simply get as L count, and then just a good practice. Even if you don't do it, it's not a big problem, but it's always a good practice, because sometimes you're running two big programs and then the buffer space needs to be needs to be empty. The buffer space needs to be empty. That's why you go to close the file, so hr.close function, and I guess the code is done. The other way we could do it, we could just simply use try except handling in this, and rather than using ch, which is a pretty efficient way until it runs out of space, we will just simply take while true, and then we go to copy the code, then we go in a we're going to do try except handling, and then we simply print it, and then except end of file ever, EOFError, whatever you say it. And rather than there, we could simply get hr.close, and we would simply remove it from here. We would simply copy it and delete them from here and print them outside, because then it won't be a global variable, which would be changed, which have been changed. Still, it's not a big problem. Now we will do this there, and we could do this, but this is actually not that much efficient way. Also, it would need more care while doing the indentation, because we have used one more level of indentation while using try except. I hope you guys liked the video. Do share and subscribe my channel. Please help me in growing up and keeping up with your demands. Any queries, ask me in the comments.